Bitcoin trades below $28,000, Ether stays above $1,800. Binance's NFT marketplace adds support for Bitcoin NFTs. Coinbase legal chief sends letter to SEC on RIA rulemaking. Core Scientific knocks back $4.7 million claim from Celsius. Spotify reportedly deletes thousands of AI-generated songs. Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Vishakha Thakur. Virtual digital assets or VDA markets traded lower on Tuesday as investors looked ahead to US inflation data scheduled later in the week. Bitcoin dropped below $28,000 crucial mark. Ruchi Sharma joins us to tell us how the global cryptocurrency market is performing today.
IC15 index of cryptocurrencies was trading down by 0.8% at 37,973 points. In an interesting news, traders looked forward to April's consumer price index report slated later in the week and also producer price index for the newest data on the path of inflation. Bitcoin was trading at $27,570, down 1.4%. In other news, Binance, one of the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange, recently announced that its NFT marketplace will soon support Bitcoin ordinals. However, Binance's move to add Bitcoin NFTs is expected to broaden its NFT ecosystem and increase options for traders. However, market participants have pointed to the crypto being still in its formative years, and understandably so is subject to the same headwinds that have afflicted other early-stage technologies throughout history. The global cryptocurrency market cap hovered around the $1.14 trillion mark, decreasing 1.2% in the last 24 hours. However, the total trading volumes increased by 3.2% to $34 billion. Meanwhile, crypto exchange Bittrex has filed for bankruptcy in the US state of Delaware months after announcing it would wind down operations in the country and weeks after being sued by the Securities and Exchange Commission. However, the latest data on US consumer price growth due later this week is likely to provide further clues about the path ahead for the Federal Reserve's policy tightening cycle, analysts said. Stock futures were under pressure with regional bank shares retreating as investors focus on key inflation reports due later in the week. Futures tied to the Dow Jones Industrial Average lost 120 points or 0.4%. S&P 500 futures dipped 0.4% along with Nasdaq 100 futures. Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was down by 1.2%, trading at $1,838. BNB was down by 1.2% to trade at $314. Solana SOL was down 2.8% and was trading at $20.6. Cardano's ADA token was down by 1.8% to trade at $0.36. Avalanche AVAX was trading at $15.4, lower 3.5%. Polygon Matic was trading down by 5.3% to trade at $0.8. Doge, the popular meme coin, was trading down by 3.03% at $0.07. Shiba Inu was trading down by 1.8%. Ripple's XRP token traded at $0.42, down by 3.2%. Polkadot was down by 2% to trade at $5.3.
Thank you, Ruchi, for your in-depth analysis of the global cryptocurrency market. And now back to the headlines. Leading cryptocurrency exchange Binance's non-fungible token marketplace said Tuesday it's planning to add support for ordinals or Bitcoin NFTs later in May, though an exact date was not announced. Binance NFT, which already supports NFTs on Ethereum, Polygon and its native BNB chain, plans to expand its offerings by allowing traders to purchase ordinals on the Bitcoin network. Collectors can soon buy and sell inscriptions or NFTs created on the Bitcoin network, expanding the reach of the nascent ordinals ecosystem. Additionally, in order to help onboard users to Bitcoin NFTs, Binance will allow traders to purchase Bitcoin-based NFTs with their Binance accounts, simplifying the process for users. Coinbase legal chief has requested that the US Securities and Exchange Commission make several revisions to its proposed regulation on the responsibilities of registered investment advisors to store client assets with qualified custodians. Although the US SEC acknowledges Coinbase custody as a qualified custodian, Coinbase contends that the updated RIA custody rule unfairly targets crypto and makes improper assumptions about custodial practices based on securities. According to the letter, Coinbase Chief Legal Officer Paul Grewal sent on May 9, the proposed SEC rulemaking fails to safeguard other asset classes such as cryptocurrencies. Coinbase is the owner and operator of Coinbase Custody Trust Company, which is recognized as a qualified custodian for RIA clients. This custodian is responsible for protecting client assets from potential threats such as bankruptcy and cyber attacks. Bankrupt Bitcoin mining firm Co-Scientific has objected to paying a $4.7 million administrative claim put forward by crypto lender Celsius Network, leading to a battle between the firms over contractual obligations. According to the objection filed in Texas bankruptcy court on May 5, Co-Scientific has asked that Celsius Network's $4.7 million administrative claims be rejected as the firm cannot prove it is entitled to one. For context, Co first signed a contract with Celsius in 2020 to host its cryptocurrency holdings in Co's data centers. However, due to an increase in the price of power, Co passed these additional costs on to Celsius, an allowance that was reportedly stipulated in the original contract. Despite Celsius initially paying these costs, the crypto lender ceased payments after it filed bankruptcy, Co-Scientific claimed in the objection. The battle between the music industry and artificial intelligence continues as reports claim Spotify is taking down AI-generated music. A Financial Times report revealed that the music streaming platform had removed 7% of songs created by AI music startup Boomi, amounting to tens of thousands of songs. Spotify is also said to be ramping up its policing of the platform in light of the situation. This comes after Spotify and other streaming services began receiving complaints of fraud and clutter on the platform. And now let's get an update on the buzzing stocks of the day. According to the African Blockchain Report 2022, published by CV, we see in collaboration with South Africa's Standard Bank, Ripple, and XRP are already in use in 13 African countries. An entire page is dedicated to Ripple technology in the report, which was released in late April 2023 but has gone unnoticed in the XRP community. According to the report, the opportunities in Africa for digital payment service providers such as Ripple are enormous. While the region has made significant progress in recent years, much of its potential remains untapped, according to the report. Electronic payments revenue is expected to increase by 20% to $40 billion by 2025. The report effectively serves as a sales pitch for Ripple and its on-demand liquidity solution based on XRP. XRP was trading at $0.42, down 2.50% in the last 24 hours with a market capitalization of $22 billion. Through Hydra technology, a Layer 2 protocol that allows developers to create mini blockchains or heads for functions that can be handled outside of the main blockchain, Cardano has made significant progress in scalability. Hydra heads shorten application processing time and lower transaction costs. IOG and M Labs are working on an auction using Hydra to demonstrate their technology's power. Along with technological advancements, IOG has expanded its training courses, which benefit both programmers and non-programmers in the financial industry. The IOG Academy offers courses, technical guides, and Q&A session on the Cardano smart contract platforms Marlow and Plutus. More than 500 people at IOG have worked on Cardano over the last 5 years, and that number is now being multiplied by the large number of developers outside the company. So far, they have launched 119 projects with 1,000 more in the works. IOG aims to make their lives easier and the road to decentralized finance for the world easier with each Cardano upgrade. Cardano was trading at $0.36, down 30% in the last 24 hours, with a market capitalization of $12 billion. Solana announced today that public orders for its flagship Android phone Saga have begun. This Web3 smartphone will be a game changer for Web3, cryptocurrency, and blockchain enthusiasts. According to the tweet, Solana Labs' mobile Saga is now accepting public orders. To emphasize, the tweet highlights the fact that Saga will support Seed Vault. This means the phone will include a self-hosted key solution as well as a Solana D-App store for accessing D-Apps and much more. The tweet also highlights how Saga users can apply for a Saga Genesis token directly. This would undoubtedly be a huge benefit for Saga's first users, as they could apply as soon as they set up their devices upon arrival. So far, Solana Mobile has received positive feedback for Saga's intuitive interface, security features, and deep integration with Solana. The phone has been well received in the market, with pre-order shipments already underway. The company is rapidly expanding and plans to expand into new markets soon. Solana was trading at $20.66, down 2.44% in the last 24 hours, with a market capitalization of $8 billion. Well, that's all in today's special bulletin. This is me, Vishakha Thakur, signing off. For more such updates, please like, share, and subscribe to 3.0 TV.